Hi guys, welcome back to Cook with Oliver. With me, Oliver, and my dad who's filming today.
Hello everybody!
Lovely, thank you Dad for that. So today guys, I will be doing sausage rolls today. It was a battle between sausage rolls and risotto, and they both equal, so I'm going to do the sausage rolls today and the risotto on Sunday. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let's crack on. So today guys, we need, I haven't wrote the recipe out as you can see. So all you need guys is for ingredients is the small garlic clove, handful of parsley chopped, 400 grams of pork sausage or just sausage meat or sausages, and 375 grams of packed ready rolled puff pastry. I would have done my own pastry, but the effort of making my own pastry is just, yeah. And 1 beaten egg to the glaze. So let's crack on with this then. If the method comes up. There we go. So we are heating our ovens today to 200 degrees or 100 and... Sorry guys, the recipe's gone off. This is good. Sorry about that guys. Yeah, so 180 degrees, 180 degrees fan, and gas mark 4 for gas ovens. Okay guys? Hope you got that. Hopefully it doesn't go back on me this time. Just want the method. I should have wrote this out guys really. The effort of getting this up is ridiculous. So let's crush 1 clove of garlic first. Oh my god, this phone. I'm not liking it. I'm not liking your phone, Mum. Sorry guys. Mum's phone is just taking ages. So, the garlic clove that I need. Didn't think this through today, guys. Poke myself with a bone knife.
Oh, didn't see that. Oh, damn, missed it.
Oh, okay, the knife broke. Okay guys, looks like I've now broken one of my mum's knives. I might be telling Mum about that.
From Pound Shop.
Alright guys, fixed. So I only want 1 garlic clove. It's ridiculous, isn't it? Get 1 garlic clove out. No skin on that, I don't think. Yeah, there is a skin on that guys. Jeez, this video's going to get a lot of likes today, ain't it? See me muck up in the kitchen. Oh my word. And also we do need cold water guys. I forgot to let you know about that. But let's just get this garlic going. I used the worst knife ever. I wish I had a pureer. Even better, let's just get a fork. Hopefully I won't break one of these. Cost a fortune, forks do. From Pound World. So then we'll just put that in the water guys. Don't know why, but yeah, put it in the water. Did it. Don't know why I put that in the water straight away actually. But never mind. Oh, my mum's phone keeps on going off me. So yeah, once we've done that guys, we just need to add a pinch of salt. Pinch of salt. Oh, man, it's hot today. And a handful of chopped parsley. A handful of pop parsley. And give it a quick sharpen. But kids, be careful. Make sure your parents are around you, and they are doing this one, because we don't want stuff mucking up and people hurting themselves. Just roll it into a nice thin ball. There's a lot of parsley in it. Oh. Oh. As you see, that is
Finely chopped.
Yep, finely chopped now. Just put that in the water. Try to get all of it. Oh, don't like the smell of parsley. But you can use any kind of herbs, just probably not mint, because mint wouldn't really go well with sausages. Just want to say that. The salt mixed with a handful of chopped parsley and stir in water. So with the same thing, just giving that a quick stir through. See, that is what it looks like, just watery parsley really. And then yeah, turn that board over. And now we place the 400 grams of sausages. I got 10 sausages in total from Tesco's Finest. Lovely. Only £4 today, 25p off. Woo-de-doo.
You need your small knife to cut them open, take the skin off.
Yep. I'm going to use around about...
All of them.
Huh?
All of them.
All of them? Okay. You don't want sausages more?
No.
Okay. Just put that over there for a sec. Oh. Just make sure you do separate them first, so it's easier for you guys without dropping anything on the floor. What I haven't done at the moment, what I'm impressed. It's always something I drop on the floor. But after you've done this, guys, please make sure you do wash your hands.
Oh no, someone's commented.
Commented?
Yeah, some little person's face come up.
Oh, it might be a message.
Yeah, it was.
That's fine. Hasn't stopped recording, has it?
Nope.
Lovely.
No.
Might work on that, will it? So as you can see, guys, that is the skin of the sausage that you don't want to use in the thing. Oh. Oh my god, no. Fucking no. Oh my god, guys.
Only 9 more to go.
Easier way to do it. Might get Casper's off this, not gonna lie. Cool one?
I don't know. Don't have too much.
Okay, that's another.
Okay, so instead.
If it's open, yeah.
It is open.
Well, I know it's open, yeah. I know KFC's opened. But yeah, just getting a lovely sausage out there. Nice and... But yeah, just hope you guys are enjoying these videos. I have set up a Facebook page. Just type into Facebook Cook with Oliver. Request to join, or me or my other admin Chloe will accept you into the group. I'm hoping to look for some more admins soon for my group. So anyone who's part of it or is going to be new to the group, please feel free to send a request in for admin. Tell me why you'd like to be an admin, what you'd be good, what you bring to the videos, any advice that you got.
Oliver, will you definitely be available for Tuesday?
Why are you reading my messages?
Just for you know.
I don't want to know that yet, because we're doing the video.
Sorry.
It's alright. I don't know who that was anyway. Sorry.
It was Chloe. Looked like.
Okay. Don't have to whisper because they can hear you. through this video. Oh, sorry guys, got only a couple left now. What I'm so loving. If you can find sausage meat, guys, it'll be so much easier. Well, Tesco's didn't have it, unfortunately. But you can see the amount of mess I'm making. Sorry. I didn't think I would, I thought I would like. Oh, mate. That's a lot of sausage. A lot of sausages. But yeah, just hopefully.
Big sausage rolls then.
Yeah. So just quickly wash my hands. Just keep the camera over there, Dad. Just wash my hands, guys.
That was behind you.
Lovely, lovely. Keep that in my pocket for now. So now we've done that, guys, we cannot use this board anymore because it has touched the raw product. So we're not able to use that anymore. So now, guys, we will need peel away, turn on the seasoned pepper. So we would need this lovely mix, guys, into there. Get every last bit. And we just need pepper. I'd say at least a teaspoon of this. I haven't got my peppercorns in there anymore. Oh no. So let it stay out. We'll add this.
Be careful.
Yeah, well. Should not smell that.
Perfect.
Perfect weighing out, guys. Just like my mum, learned from the best. So yeah, when we've done that, guys, just yeah.
Get your hands in there, boy. Oh, lovely.
Why do they add the water though?
Well, you no, look at the method.
Yeah, I know, but any excess water you've got, just feel free to
Drain off.
drain off really, because it's become a very wet mixture, guys. Yeah, just feel free to drain it off. None's coming up. It's a very wet mixture, isn't it? Add a little bit of flour to it.
Read your method. What it says.
Yeah, just for this. Just put it in there.
So you got to write that amount of water in there.
It might have been a bit too much. It said 50 mils.
It's alright.
I want to add flour though now.
Then what makes it taste floury?
Just add a little pinch of it.
Alright. You've got to wash your hands first and wash them.
Okay, so this is not part of the recipe, but I've just realised it's very, very watery, guys. As you can see,
So look,
it's the sludges.
it's not too bad. That's alright.
Dunno? Yeah,
That's
no?
alright.
Okay.
Because when we put it in the oven, it'll
Dry out.
put flour on the side anyway for rolling the pastry out.
Okay, so we just get my ready-made pastry.
Still put flour on the side
Well, it doesn't say, but do I?
because it'll stick. Oh dear.
So yeah, now we've done that, guys, just need to get the pastry out.
Is that a short crust pastry or puff pastry, son?
Puff pastry, Dad. So our sausage rolls come puffy. Go and recycle later. Fabulous on kids. Oh, it's in its little sheet as well. You know how much sheet do I need?
Maybe a little bit of pastry on the thing as well.
What?
A little bit of pastry on the flour. On the
Pastry on the flour?
flour on the pastry. Just a little tad.
Okay.
Because it's been out kind of...
No, mine would cut half lengthways. So, lengthways.
I do. Yeah, see?
Just rub that in, guys. Because we will be egg washing it later. So lengthway, guys. I'm guessing lengthways this way, so... Lengthways, guys, we now need to divide the sausage mixture. So if we just leave this one over here a sec, because we need a little bit of sausage mixture now, so there's no way we can use a spoon in here. Good enough spoon in. Yeah, use that. Just want to get a rough estimate how much I need.
Make it a sausage tape.
Try, but I don't know why they've done them. Is that good enough? Because you need to make sure that it does wrap over. So I'm trying to think how much we need. It's very difficult judging. So that's about right?
Yes.
Just quickly wash my hands again, guys. Just dry my hands again. But yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this. Oh, I need another drink now. Oh, yeah, look. Again, guys, the mug's back. Cook with Oliver. Nice little mug there, guys. Hopefully start doing more of these, hopefully in different colours soon. And if you guys want to order any, I will be creating my own website for these soon. They're lovely. Let's see how this goes first. Pastry's still a little bit, the sausage bit is still thick. Sorry about this, guys, it's just, I've made sausage rolls before. Wash my hands, something I can just wash my hands there as well. Yeah. Just trying to work out how much pastry there is left. Cooked too much sausages, didn't I? Not too much sausages, cooked too much. Oh, got pastry, more pastry there, guys.
Let's see.
Tuck over that.
If you use a fork, you can crimp it as well.
Yep. So I'll do the crimping now. It's fine if we use that. Just it's awkward pastry, isn't it? It's wide because of freaking. So yeah, just getting roughly amount. I don't know if that's actually got any sausage in it actually. No, it hasn't. So I'll cut it off. Put it there. Why not? Just get this bit off as well because it hasn't got any sausage in it. So you get nice big chunky ones.
I mean, small ones or large ones, up to you. Yeah, perfect.
So yeah, I've done mine roughly that size, guys. Looks nice, doesn't it? So I've got this, guys, as we can see. You're cooking a lot. Oh. So yeah, that's the first lot gone, guys. Just rest it over there a sec. The oven is preheating. So then we get this. Well, my pastry's just broke on me. A bit more stuff at the bottom, just because it's still sticky. And then yeah, we get some more of this sausage mix. What I did last time, yeah. Yeah. What's about?
That's what you got
Yeah.
from bridge ends. Done that too tight. Oh, you fucker.
Sorry guys, my dad's trying to open the bowl.
I was hoping because I made some.
I'll leave that open for you.
Thank you, son.
That's alright. Yeah, just spread this out evenly-ish. Don't put it on too tight, Dad.
Hey?
Don't put the lid on too tight this time. But yeah, I'm seeing that a lot of people are still liking this. I've now hit 50 subscribers now, guys. So soon one of my videos, it will be me recording and one of my parents cooking. Will be quite nice to see for my viewers. I think the parsley, it's nice colour to see through the thing. Hopefully it's not too.
Parsley.
Just wash my hands again. I'll wash that later as well. How long's this video gone on for then, Dad?
Oh dear.
What?
23 minutes.
Oh, that's normal.
My dear. Ready? 24 minutes. Ah, you worked out a way of doing it better. Pull to one side, then pull the pressure over. Good idea. That's it, you got it. Calm down. Don't get angry. That's it, you got it, you got it, you got it. Yes!
That one's got a little hole in it. Well, that's what I like about these videos. You can go wrong sometimes.
All the best cooks have gone wrong.
Yeah, I went wrong when I was at the Green Dragon. I joined her there. As we did last time, guys.
Don't saw it, just cut it. That's it. See?
These are going to be weird sausage rolls.
My favourite. Weird.
Just put them over here. They've got to come out weird, aren't they? Should I do the other one, or?
How much meat you got left?
Or should I just do that later on?
Do it another one, can't you?
Yeah, okay. Lovely. So now,
A nice little egg wash.
I'll just get this over here, guys, sorry. Just a nice little egg wash over them. Nice and golden brown then. But yeah, it looks like these are going to be quite an adventure. I'll probably do the rest later on. That one was pinprick down. And there we go, guys.
How long are you putting for, son?
So you put these in for. Now you ask me the question. Tightly roll, 10 pieces. 25 to 35 minutes or until the pastry is puffed and crispy and the meat has cooked through. Move and eat hot. Eat hot or cold with tomato ketchup if you like.
Yum.
So guys, yeah, they've now been egg washed. They look absolutely nice.
Very nice.
Do what I normally do with these. Put some.
Oh. Stephanie Huge.
Oh yeah, that's my old geography teacher.
Is this the...
Yeah, I know. Just add a little pinch of salt on top. And a little bit of pepper. Because this is...
I will put a bit of paprika on it. Get a nice smoky.
You can do that actually. I'll leave... maybe a bit too much pepper, but... I left 2. So my dad can have paprika ones. Don't need a lot because I might put paprika in that sausage. Might be nice. So guys, yeah, these now go in the oven. I'll just hold this for my dad a sec while we move. So yeah guys, hoping you like these videos, hoping you're liking the mug that I've done now. What is actually them. So yeah, hope everyone's still enjoying that. Sorry about that guys, everything's falling to pieces in this council house. Pass the camera back to my dad so you can see me put them in the oven. So yeah, I would say put them middle shelf in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes. So yeah, I want to say a massive thank you to you guys for watching my videos. Hope you guys can find my Facebook page called Cook with Oliver, just like my YouTube channel. One thing I would want to say is a massive thank you to my parents for filming these things. I know they're very busy doing other stuff, looking after my brother and everything. But thank you so much for watching this. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and enable the notifications.
And put the bell on. Ding ding.
Okay, see you later guys. Thank you.